Hey man, watch out! It's a woodpecker from space.